Your team is missing deadlines, your manager has no idea what is happening, and your spreadsheet is a complete mess. Sound familiar? That is exactly the problem Monday.com was built to solve. In this video, I am going to give you a complete and honest review of Monday.com in 2026. We will cover what it does, who it is for, how much it actually costs, and whether it is worth your money. Stay till the end because I will also tell you who should not use Monday.com. That part might save you a lot of money. Let us get into it. Monday.com is a work management platform. Think of it as your team's central command center. It started as a simple project tracking tool, but today, in 2026, it has grown into something much bigger. Monday.com now calls itself an AI work platform. That means you can manage projects, track sales, handle customer support, run HR processes, and even manage software development, all inside one platform. As of 2026, over 250,000 customers worldwide use Monday.com. It is used by 59% of Fortune 500 companies. Brands like Hulu, Uber, Adobe, and Universal Music Group all rely on it. So yes, this is a very serious tool, not a hobby app. But does it work for small and medium businesses too? Let us find out. Before we dive deeper, I want to quickly tell you about Softwarehope, the platform behind this video. Softwarehope.com is a B2B software discovery platform where businesses can search, compare, and review thousands of software tools all in one place. Over 2,000 software products are already listed. And if you're a software developer, a SaaS founder, or a company that offers software applications or digital services, you can list your product on Softwarehope completely free of cost. No charges, no commission, just free visibility in front of thousands of active business buyers. Visit softwarehope.com and click Try Now to get started. Now, back to Monday.com. The first thing you notice when you log into Monday.com is how visual everything looks. Everything is color-coded. Tasks have statuses like done, in progress, and stuck. You can see at a glance exactly where your team stands. On the left side, you have your main navigation, inbox, notifications, and all your workspaces. At the bottom, there's a search bar and settings. Each workspace contains boards. A board is where all the work lives. Think of it as a smart spreadsheet, but one that actually makes sense. Inside a board, you have groups and items. Groups are categories. Items are your individual tasks, and each item has columns: status, due date, owner, priority, and more. You can switch between different views depending on what you need. Table view, Kanban board, timeline view, which works like a Gantt chart, calendar view, and even a map view if your team works across multiple locations. For most teams, the table view is where they'll spend most of their time. It's clean, easy to read, and gives you a full picture of everything happening inside your project. Now, let's talk about the features that actually matter. First, customization. Monday.com is one of the most customizable project management tools available today. You can add any column type you want: text, numbers, dates, drop-downs, files, formulas, and more. There are over 30 column types. You can group tasks in any way, rename everything, and color-code it exactly the way your team works. If you're starting from scratch, don't worry. Monday.com has over 200 templates for marketing campaigns, product launches, HR onboarding, client projects, sales pipelines, and much more. Just pick one and customize it in minutes. Second, automation. This is where Monday.com really shines. You can set up automated workflows so your team doesn't have to repeat the same manual work every single day. When a task status changes to done, automatically notify the manager. When a new lead is added, automatically assign it to a sales rep. Inside the Automation Center, you can browse ready-made automations by category, notifications, status changes, due dates, and more. If you can't find what you need, you can build a fully custom automation. One important thing: automations are only available from the standard and above plan. The free and basic plans do not include automation. So if automation is your main reason for switching, plan your budget for standard or higher. Third, time tracking, available on the Pro plan. You can start and stop a timer directly from any item or add time entries manually. At the end of a project, run a column summary to see total hours spent. Very useful for agencies and consultants who bill clients by the hour. Fourth, integrations. Monday.com connects with over 200 external tools: Slack, Gmail, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, Zoom, Salesforce, HubSpot, and Jira. Integrations are available from the standard plan. Fifth, AI features. In 2026, Monday.com has built AI directly into the platform at no extra cost. You can use AI to write task descriptions, summarize project updates, generate action items from meeting notes, and build custom formulas automatically. Every paid plan includes a monthly AI credits allowance. Let's talk about what Monday.com actually costs. There are 5 plans. Free plan, up to 2 users, 3 boards. No automation, no integrations. Good only for testing the platform alone. Basic plan, $9 per user per month, billed annually. Minimum 3 users, so the real minimum cost is $27 per month. Unlimited boards and docs, but still no automation and no integrations on this plan. For most teams, Basic is too limited. Standard plan, $12 per user per month, billed annually. Minimum $36 per month. This is the most popular plan and the one I recommend for most small teams. You get automation, integrations, timeline view, calendar view, and guest access. Empathic. This is where Monday.com becomes genuinely useful. Pro plan, $19 per user per month, billed annually. Minimum $57 per month. Adds time tracking, private boards, unlimited guests, and up to 25,000 automation actions per month. Enterprise plan, custom pricing for large organizations needing advanced security and dedicated support. One thing to always keep in mind, Monday.com requires a minimum of 3 seats on all paid plans. Even if only 1 or 2 people use it, you pay for 3. Direct. That makes it more expensive for very small teams. Keep that in mind before you sign up. Let's be completely honest about what works and what doesn't. Pros: visually clean and easy to use. Most new users get started within 1 day without any training. 2. Highly customizable with over 30 column types and more than 200 templates. 3. Powerful automation and integrations from the standard plan. 4. AI features built into every paid plan at no extra charge. 5. Trusted by over 250,000 businesses worldwide, including 59% of Fortune 500 companies. Cons: 1. Pricing adds up fast for larger teams. 2. No automation on the free and basic plan, a major limitation. 3. The 3-seat minimum makes it expensive for solo users or 2-person teams. 4. Some advanced features are locked behind higher plans. 5. The platform can feel overwhelming at first. There are a lot of settings and setup takes real time and effort. So who is Monday.com actually built for? It's a great fit for teams of 5 to 200 people managing multiple projects at the same time. Marketing teams, agencies, product teams, sales teams, and operations teams will get the most value from it. It's also perfect for businesses that are outgrowing spreadsheets and want one platform instead of 5 separate tools. However, Monday.com is not ideal for solo users or 2-person teams because of the minimum seat pricing. It's also not the best choice for teams needing very deep Gantt chart features. And if you're on an extremely tight budget, tools like ClickUp or Notion may be better starting points.
Is Monday.com worth it in 2026? Yes. For the right team? Absolutely. If your team is between 5 and 50 people, you manage multiple projects, and you want full visibility across everything, Monday.com delivers real value. The standard plan at $12 per user per month is the sweet spot for most businesses. Just make sure you use the automation features. That is where the real value is. If this review helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Softwarehope for more honest software reviews. Drop your Monday.com experience in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next one.